Okay, so we have 9 blockchain infrastructure players to watch this year in 2023. Do you want to know what they are? You're gonna get it in this video right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You're watching the ClearCrypto channel. You see the hat? ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So 9, right? Okay. Blockchain infrastructure players or providers play a crucial role in spreading mass adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. Here are the 9s that's doing the work. They're going to be the ones to look out for in 2023. The first one is Fireblocks, founded in 2018 in New York. That's the first one. The second one is Blockdaemon, is a blockchain infrastructure company that provides a cloud-based platform for deploying and managing blockchain nodes. That one could be interesting. The next one is Chainalysis. Chainalysis is a blockchain analytic company founded in 2014. And I'll show you which one that I really like out of these 9s. Blockchain Stream. They support the Bitcoin blockchain. I'm liking that one. I'm really liking that one. Supporting Bitcoin. The next one is Axoni, the New York-based fintech company. Streamline post-trade processing in the capital market industry. The 6th one, Everledger, founded in London-based company that creates digital records of ownership. I like that one too. Providence is a UK-based outfit that uses blockchain technology to create transparent records of history and other things. That's an interesting one there. The next one is Enini. I don't know how I'm pronouncing this. It's a blockchain startup based in Liechtenstein that's focused on building decentralized applications. The 9th and final one is Elapict. It's founded in UK in 2013. They provided solutions for banks, cryptocurrency, and exchanges. So the ones I like, all 9 of them are very interesting. I really like, I really like the one that supports the Bitcoin blockchain. Really excited about that. Foundation on the Bitcoin network. Should be doing some really work with that. I like that one. I like this one here, Blockdaemon, managing the blockchain nodes. I think that's a really good idea. The blockchain, the various blockchain network, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I like Fireblocks. All 9 of them are really good. Look out for it. But those are the 3 that I'm really paying more attention to, because they're involved in Bitcoin and Ethereum and the blockchain technology. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You know, the ClearCrypto YouTube channel is the channel for you, for your crypto news. I'm Adam Shelton, the captain. I'll see you in the next video.